I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. All right, everybody, thank you for joining me. I'm glad you guys are here with me. What you guys are seeing right now is going to be my 2014 Dodge Charger SXT. This video is not going to be about this vehicle, but I wanted to show you guys of the vehicle that I currently have as well. But I do have a buyer already. He's just going to make the official deal with me most likely sometime next week. But I wanted to show you guys this vehicle because it's dearly to me, and I'm going to have to say goodbye to it for once, so then I can make room for my 2020 Charger Scatpack wide body. But I wanted you guys to take a look at that, or look at this vehicle and enjoy it a little bit, because I did. And I want you guys to see what vehicle I had prior to me getting the 2020 Charger Scatpack wide body. All right, let's get to this. All right, everyone, my name is Danny, but as you guys know, this is going to be the FA Scatpack channel. All right, but as you guys can see, I'm here with the 2020 Dodge Charger Scatpack wide body. All right, you guys heard it right. I'm so freaking excited to have this beast in my hand. I've been waiting for it for a while. I ordered this back in February, but it's now here. It actually got here Friday, but I didn't have it. Actually, not Friday. It was around Thursday, I think. Thursday or Friday, it got here. I wasn't able to pick it up till Saturday, and now we're here Sunday making this video. All right, but just to give you guys more information on what I'm going to be doing in this channel, as you guys can see, it's going to be a car blog, but more specifically on things like installations, modifications, and don't think it's just because it's a Dodge Charger vehicle. It's just going to be modifications that apply to a Dodge Charger vehicle. Like, let's say I'm going to be installing here a camera soon, hopefully, or a radar detector as well. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of things. Obviously, modifications to this vehicle. I'm going to be doing a lot of things, so just wait on it. All right, I already have a big list of things that I want to get for this vehicle that I'm going to be adding. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, so you guys can stay up to date. Make sure you guys ring that notification bell so you guys know when there's a new video coming up. All right, but yeah, let's get into this. All right, so I'm gonna make more future videos here in regards to where I got the vehicle, how much I paid for the vehicle, what my payments are looking like, how could I afford this vehicle. But yeah, let me know if you guys want to see something in particular as well. I am going to show you videos here, walk around of the vehicle itself, so take a look at that. All right, for some reason the audio in this clip got deleted, so this is just a good look at the interior of the vehicle. This coming up clip is gonna have audio that goes more into detail in regards to the dash and all that. But as you guys can see, if you are very knowledgeable with your Dodge Chargers, the 2015 to now really hasn't changed much interior wise. So it's pretty much the same except for the dash portion. All right, it's time to take a good look at the interior here. We got the stitching on the door. We got the leather Alcantara seats with the Scatpack logo here. Looking nice. And of course, you got your 392 badge that is new on the 2020 models. So that's definitely a nice touch there. We're gonna move into the interior here. You still got your 8.4 Uconnect screen right there. Everything else seems to be very familiar. If you looked at the older models, nothing much has changed inside. But again, guys, I definitely got a great deal on this car, especially with the power dollar that they got going on right now. If you guys have been waiting or on the edge about buying this vehicle, I definitely suggest you buy it when there's the power dollar promotion going on. I think the one that's currently for right now ends at the end of the month. So if you want one, get to the dealership before the end of the month and get yourself a good discount. It's like $10 off per horsepower. So I got like 48 or I forgot $4,800 off or so around that park. So yeah, definitely get yourself that deal. All right, so here are some things that I got with this package of this vehicle. As you guys know, this is the wide body version of the 2020 Scatpack, so I got that kit as well, the wide body kit. Another thing that I got with this package was the Plus. Obviously you can see by the seats that I'm sitting in, that's part of the Plus package. I had to get the Harman Kardon speakers. That was a must for me because I had the 2014 vehicle. As you can see in the beginning of this video, unfortunately I'm gonna have to sell that vehicle, and that was one of the vehicles that I was most attached with due to the fact that I did a lot of modifications to that car itself. It was a 2014 SXT, not SRT, SXT, so there's definitely a lot of modifications on that car. Another thing that I had to get on this vehicle is the sunroof. Definitely needed. Always wanted one, even with the 2014, never had one, but I always did want one. I went to the point where I was going to install one and went to a shop to get a quote to get installed, but I figured it wasn't worth it. All right, guys, well, I'm going to wrap the video here, but like I said earlier, you want to stay tuned because I am going to be doing a lot of modifications to this vehicle, or I plan to do a lot of modifications to this vehicle. I do have a dash cam that I have in mind that I'm going to get, as well as a radar detector. If you guys are in the market of wanting a radar detector and which one you guys might want, I'm going to let you know what I picked and what my preferences were and why I picked that radar detector as well. But yeah, catch you next time. Again, make sure you guys like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, all right? All right, see you guys next time. Peace.